Here's a detailed breakdown of the new Land Cruiser FJ from Toyota Motor Corporation. Pencil key design and platform highlights. It's a smaller, more accessible Land Cruiser variant, built on Toyota's IMV body-on-frame platform, shared with models like the Toyota Hilux Champ, rather than a full-sized luxury SUV. Size and styling: boxy silhouette, squared-off cabin, strong wheel arch definition, modular bumpers, front and rear, for ease of repair and customization. Engine and drivetrain: initially reports suggest a 2.7-liter petrol engine paired to a 6-speed automatic and part-time 4WD system. Other mechanics: shorter wheelbase than larger Land Cruisers, report says 580 mm, which gives it more maneuverability. Production and target markets: built in Thailand, export hub for Asian/Southeast Asian markets initially. U.S/Europe availability not guaranteed. Direct hit: what makes it interesting? Heritage meets modern gap. The FJ name draws on Toyota's Land Cruiser heritage. Note the freedom and joy interpretation Toyota uses, while introducing a smaller, more lifestyle-friendly off-roader. Drop down in size/price tier. This model appears aimed at customers who want the Land Cruiser badge and off-road DNA but don't want, or need, a full-size large SUV. Modularity and customization. With removable bumpers, rugged styling cues, and likely accessory options, Toyota seems to emphasize not just go anywhere, but make it yours. Off-road capability. On budget by using a ladder frame/IMV platform and classic 4WD architecture, Toyota signals this is more than just an urban SUV with looks. Warning: things to keep in mind/questions. Availability. While revealed globally, it appears Toyota is prioritizing Asian markets, Japan, Southeast Asia, first. There is uncertainty about US and European launches. Specifications: some details are still reported: engine, drivetrain, and may vary by region. Price and positioning. Toyota will have to balance cost versus capability. Smaller size might bring lower cost, but enthusiasts may expect Land Cruiser ruggedness at a premium. Comparisons: will this mini Land Cruiser live up to off-road traditions when stacked against full-sized siblings and rivals? Why heavy checkmark final take? The Land Cruiser FJ is a smart move by Toyota, using its legendary Land Cruiser name and off-road legacy, but offering a more compact, accessible version of that ethos. If Toyota executes well, right build quality, good off-road hardware, strong value, it could open the Land Cruiser brand to a broader audience.